See, this is what's nice. You got a washing machine. It's got this pump, Whirlpool Roper, pretty much seriously common. Anyway, after a while, they start leaking. Well, it's only leaking because right there, if you could see that, right here where that turns really fast, that's the inside impeller. It eats away at the outside housing. Go on, you know, Amazon, whatever. Grab one of these. Thank you. It's like $14. Open this baby up. Rip my hand up. Thank you. Brand new. Same thing. Brand new. And that's it. You could check it out. Reinstall it. Takes about 37 seconds. Honest to God. It's crazy easy. And that's about it, man. So I know what I'm doing. Great.